Assalamualaikum and good morning to the honorable judges and teachers. My name is Hasha Imina binti Muhammad. I am from Kisah Bahagia. I am a school teacher. I am an active and creative person. During my free time, I love reading books, drawing, and playing sports. Today, I would like to share about a very interesting book titled Fantastic Facts by Miles Kelly, publishing in 2022. It contains 159 pages with more than 370 amazing facts across 5 exciting topics such as space, science, dinosaurs, animals, and ancient history. In the first chapter, I learned that space is so vast that we use light years to measure distance. 1 light year is how far light travels in 1 year. Also found out that beneath Earth's surface is magma, a burning semi-liquid rock. The Nile River is the longest river, stretching 6,700 kilometers, where the Amazon is the biggest. In the science sector, I was fascinated by how our skin works. Did you know that your skin constantly rubs off and grows back? It's our body's natural protection system, and it even keeps our fluid from leaking. My favorite part of this book is about dinosaurs. I love the sauropods, especially the Brachiosaurus and Eucalyptus. This giant had long neck and thighs, small head and stood up for strong legs. They were so big that they need to eat for up to 20 hours a day just to stay full. In the chapter about animals, I learned how they are grouped, like invertebrates, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Some animals have super sense that help them survive in the wild. Lastly, in ancient history, I read about the powerful pharaohs of Egypt. There we saw important that some people even worship them like gods. This book is full of eye-opening facts, and the colorful pictures help me understand each topic better. I may not remember all 372 facts, but I really enjoy learning from this book, and it has definitely improved my general knowledge. Thank you.